Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show how to buy mini iron on TEMU for extremely cheap. So TEMU is an online shopping marketplace that delivers the product to consumer directly from China, and it provides 90 days return policy. So here we have to come to temu.com, and here as a search button we can just search for the mini iron at here. Okay, so here we can see many irons, so we can just go with the one. So here I'm going with this. So this iron will cost you $2.28, and here this iron board, mini iron board, can iron your clothes, and this is very portable. You can see like this. Okay, so it is very easy to handle and it's very easy comfortable. So here we can see the review is a very good review, and so here we can see the product description. So this mini iron will cost you $2.8, and its height is 25 centimeter and length is about 15 centimeter. So here we can see it is how to clean and how to do the things. So to buy, first you have to add to cart, and then you can just click on the buy button, then you can just follow the instruction to make the purchase. So this is how to buy mini iron on TEMU website. I strongly recommend downloading and installing the TEMU app to save your money. Thank you for watching.